Next one is Dauvergne's triad. In this, elements are arranged in a set of 3, which are known as triads, in increasing order of their atomic masses, and the atomic mass of middle element is average or arithmetic mean of first and third element. You may say this: 3 elements, calcium, strontium, barium, having the atomic masses 40, 88, 137. They are arranged in a set of 3 as are triads. The atomic mass of middle element is strontium. It is the average arithmetic mean of rest 2 element calcium and barium, that is 88.5. Another example is lithium, sodium and potassium. Atomic masses 7, 23, 39. The arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium 7 and 39, that is equal to 23, that is the mass of sodium. That is the Dauvergne's triad, in which elements are arranged in a set of 3 elements by increasing order of atomic masses, and middle element having the mass which is arithmetic mean of rest 2 elements. Next one is Newland's octave law. In this, elements are arranged in a set of 8 elements. You may say this: fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. And 8th element has the similarity in property with the first element, just like a notes of music. So you may say that according to Newland's octave, like notes of an octave of music, the 8th element starting from 1 is a kind of repetition of first element. Means 8th element is a repetition of first element. 8th element is a chlorine, that is further repeated to first element, and that is why it is known as octave law, and it is given by Newland. So that is Newland's octave law. Is that clear? Next one is Mendel's periodic law. According to this law, the properties of elements are periodic function of atomic weight. Means by the certain interval of atomic weight, property repeated. You may say in this, in Mendel's periodic table, by which is based on Mendel's periodic law, there are groups, 8 groups are there, in which elements are arranged in their increasing order of their atomic weight or atomic masses, and vertically they are considered as a group. After certain interval of atomic masses, the repetition of property will take place. Lithium having the atomic mass 6.97, approx 7, and 23 sodium, they have the similarity in property. Then further potassium have the similarity in property. So according to this law, properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. But that there was a demerit. In this periodic table, position of isotopes is not defined. Position of hydrogen. This period position is only with lithium, sodium, potassium and with copper also. Is it? It is not having with fluorine. But in a modern periodic table, it is also considered with the 7th group or 7th A or 17th group. Third demerit, position of lanthanide and actinide. Lanthanide and actinide are not together. Few lanthanides are there in a different groups, and lanthanide and actinide are in a same group. Few actinides are in a different groups. So that was the demerit. Position of lanthanide and actinide is not defined. But what is the merit? Systematic study of elements. Elements are arranged in a sequence and having the similar properties. Rare earth metals placement also there. And prediction of new elements. It is predicted that next element which will come after that having the arrangement with their atomic masses. So once again, merits was systematic study of elements, placement of rare earth metals or earth elements, and prediction of new elements. And drawbacks, that was important. Sometime question arises, write the 3 drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table. So answer will be position of isotopes, position of hydrogen, position of lanthanides and actinides. Next one is modern periodic law. According to this law, physical and chemical property of elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. Yes, the elements having the chemical and physical property which depend on their atomic number. Next one is modern periodic table. Modern periodic table based on modern periodic law. According to modern periodic law, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. It means with the change of atomic number, chemical and physical property become changed, and after certain interval of atomic number, property remain same. Listen once again, what is modern periodic law? Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic